Allah made the shining sun bright and warm for everyone. Allah made the moon at night soft and calm with silver light. Allah made everything we see, you and me, the sky, the sea. Every smile, every song, all from Allah, kind and strong. Allah made the flowers grow, painted them in colors slow. Allah made the birds that fly, sailing freely in the sky. Allah made everything we see, you and me, the sky, the sea. Every step and every breath, a gift from Allah, full of love. My eyes to see, my hands to pray, Allah takes care of me each day. When I'm happy, when I'm small, I say Alhamdulillah for all. Allah made everything so kind, with so much love for humankind. Day and night, near and far, thank you Allah.